Hey guys, hey, welcome and welcome back to the Shan's Experience. Alright, guys, so it's like 5 in the morning, and I am getting ready to cook my Sunday meal. Alright, so guys, my eyebrow looks a mess, but it ain't even about me right now, right? It's about the food, right? So I'm up early because I have to go on the road today. I won't be home, but I want to make sure that my family is fed. So I'm doing, as you can see in the title, barbecue chicken, right? So I by now I would have dropped my homemade barbecue sauce video. So I will be using the sauce from that video to prepare my barbecue chicken. Alright, it's really plain and simple. There's really not much to it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really appreciate the continued support from you guys because without you guys, this would be meaningless, right? Who would I be doing it for? So, thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. Please like this video, comment down below. Please share this video if it's even to share it on your WhatsApp. I'm tired. I already prepared most of my stuff. Well, that's a lie. I prepared some of the stuff from last night. So I am now going to show you guys how I proceed from here. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have my chicken here. Last night when I seasoned the chicken, I was extremely tired. I had a long day, so I really couldn't bother to set up for filming and stuff like that. I really just wanted to clean the chicken, wash it with some vinegar and lime juice and just get some seasoning on it and just make it marinate and just eat. And when I'm on bed, that I really did at the bed. But it's not like I really skipped a vital part, meaning you can season or you should be seasoning the chicken however you like it. Alright, so let me tell you what I used. I used my green seasoning, right, which contains my scallion, onion, thyme, hot pepper, bell pepper, what am I missing? Garlic, the works, right? And I used a Tupsa jerk seasoning because this is not jerk chicken. This is barbecue chicken. So I didn't use a lot. I just used a Tupsa, and that's because I just really love jerk seasoning. And I added some paprika. I put my paprika and my garlic powder, guys. Never. And I used some island spice chicken seasoning. Alright, this is really good, guys. So that's basically what I added, and I mixed it up all together and then I put it to marinate. That's basically it. So you guys can season your chicken to your liking. Okay, so what I'm about to do now, guys, is I will be transferring this to my container for the oven. Stay tuned, guys. I put a little butter in it. That's not necessary. You don't have to do that. So I'm just gonna Lord, I got the small one by mistake, and I don't think everything is gonna hold the way I want them to, but hey, gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna do now is to just pop this in the oven for 45 minutes, and then after 45 minutes y'all are gonna see what I'm gonna do, so stay tuned. And remember to preheat your oven. I'm gonna be preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, so catch you on the flip side. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's been 45 minutes and there's a lot of fluid, liquid, gravy, whatever you want to call it, in there. So I don't want that. So I personally don't want it. So I'm gonna drain it off, and then we're gonna get the bowl going. Alright, so I got as much out as possible. Let me get my sauce. And what I'm gonna do is to just baste the top. No, because I want them to be this way. So I'm gonna start with these sides. And that's it guys. So I have a good amount of barbecue sauce left. That's enough to drizzle over my chicken when it's done. So I'm just gonna pop this back into the oven for another 45 minutes and then we're done. So catch you guys in 45 minutes to show you the finished product. Alright, stay tuned. And there is the final product. So I just took them out the oven and some of my sauce drizzled away. That's perfectly fine. But there they are. There they are guys. Lovely, lovely. So this is gonna go with my rice and peas with some mixed veg and broccoli, fried plantain, and some potato salad. Some of my sauce got on the edges and they're burnt. Don't pay that no mind. Chicken is perfectly fine. That's all I care about. So nothing is sticking. Nice, lovely, lovely, lovely. So I have my leftover sauce that I can always apply to it however I want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, comment down below and share this video for me please. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one.